Greetings all and welcome to AlgoFox Academy. Continuing our series of discussing interesting setup, today we have a strategy based upon last 2 days high-low breakout combined with RSI for momentum. This strategy was initially proposed by Mr. Santosh Pasi sir. I have also attached his Twitter handle in the description. He's an amazing trader. Do follow him. The strategy is very simple. It says that whenever we have a breakout either on the upside or the downside and we have RSI to support us with the momentum, the strategy can give us some money. We actually coded the logic in detail on TradingView and back tested it. So let us dive onto my TradingView system and check the strategy's performance and see how to automate it with AlgoFox. Alright, so before I code the strategy, let me explain you the logic on an Excel sheet. So the idea of the strategy is given to us by Santosh Pasi sir. He's a very renowned trader in Indian community. I will also share his Twitter handle in the YouTube description. So according to his idea, the logics are pretty simple. You just take last 2 days high and low and market, and now if the next day, that is the current trading day, if high breaks, we would want to check for the buy entry, and if low breaks, we would want to check for the short entry. When high breaks, we will also consider RSI to give us the momentum. So RSI should be above 60, and if low breaks, RSI should be below 40. This is a simple strategy where we check last 2 days high and low, we mark it, and if the high breaks, we would want to trade if RSI goes above 60, if RSI is simultaneously above 60, and if low breaks, we would want to short it if RSI is below 40. However, while building this strategy, we also added multiple layers of risk management, which can also help us backtest this strategy under various different conditions. For example, we gave a switch where we can choose between intraday or positional mode. We gave a stop loss in terms of points as well as percentage. Similarly, we also gave two targets, target 1 and target 2, so that 50% quantity can exit at target 1, 50% can exit at target 2. Again, these both are in points and percentage. Then we have a trailing SL again in terms of points and percentage. So after adding all of this, we have done the coding on TradingView, and let me plot it on TradingView chart. So this is Bank Nifty futures chart. As you can see, this is Bank Nifty futures chart. In the indicator, I'll pull it off. It's called as high low plus RSI breakout setup. Now this is the setup, and this is the backtest result. Currently, the moment I add it, it shows the backtest result by default. As you can see, the backtest results are not that good. In the last 1 year, it gave a result of minus 0.68, profitability is 44.83, win rate is 0.987. However, as I said, we have added multiple parameters in it. Let us backtest them in detail and make sure the strategy becomes profitable. Now, the next phase of what we are going to do here is called as optimization. So let us just optimize this strategy. So I'll go to the settings. In the strategy setting, we have time frame of the candles to mark high and low. As we said that we would want last 2 days high and low. So in the time frame, I have selected 1 day as a time frame and last 2 candles representing last 2 days high and low. Similarly, on the RSI time frame, I can either choose any time frame of the RSI or whatever is available on the chart. For example, right now, if I'm on a 5 minutes chart, by default will take 5 minutes RSI time frame. Then RSI buy zone is 60, short zone is 40. Stop loss is currently off, target is currently off, trailing stop loss is currently off. It's an intraday system which will run from 9:15 to 2:45 and square of the orders at 3:15. Let's go down a little bit. This is the automation code which will help you automate this strategy with AlgoFox. And also there is quantity management, partial exit at target 1 management. We'll talk about that in detail as we go ahead. Now, as we can see that on a 5 minutes chart, the strategy is giving minus 0.68. Let us optimize it. Let us switch on the stop loss. I've kept stop loss in terms of percentage. I've kept 1% stop loss. The moment I keep stop loss as activated, the results are a little better, 1.49% in last 1 year, which is not that great. Let me switch on the target as well, target 1 and target 2. Target 1 is 1%, target 2 is 2% for now. And let's scroll down a little bit. In the trailing stop loss, let me trail the stop loss also as in terms of percentage as 1%. So for every 1% the stock moves up, we will trail it by 1%. So after adding stop loss, target and trailing stop loss, our result have slightly improvised. The profit is now 2.51%, profitability is 44.69%, and the risk reward is 1:1.05. Clearly, the strategy is not giving good results because 5 minutes time frame is a very small time frame. So what we will do is, maybe because we are taking RSI on the chart, we will take a bigger time frame. Let us try with 15 minutes time frame. On a 15 minutes chart, the results are not that great. It is -1.62. Let us check on a 30 minutes chart. On a 30 minutes chart, the results are very beautiful. The curve is also very beautiful. I really like how our portfolio is growing in this particular back test. So you will see it's a very smooth curve going upwards. There was a small drawdown phase here in the red, but apart from that, it's a very beautiful curve. And what is interesting to note here is that our win rate is also very good, 1:1.4. Drawdown is also very less, 11%, and this is giving 52% returns. Let us check the properties. So we have backtested from 2019 to 2023. So in the last 4 years, the strategy has given 52%, which is approximately 13% a year, which is not that great, but the curve is really good. So what I will do is, I'm satisfied with this curve. Now I'm going to adjust my risk rewards also. So let us say instead of 14, I can maybe try RSI as 10. Let us try RSI as 10. Now with RSI as 10, the graph has become a little more smooth. And in the terms of stop loss, I like Fibonacci number. So stop loss will be 0.67%. And I would want to keep two targets, target 1 and target 2. Target 2 will be bigger target, let us say 3%. Stop loss will, trailing stop loss will also be a Fibonacci number, 0.67%. And quantity will be 2 lots, because I want to trade with 2 lots so that I can exit 50% at target 1. So 1 lot I will exit at target 1, remaining 1 lot I'll carry forward. Now if I add all of this, the results become very amazing. So you will see a beautiful curve, and risk reward is also very good. Profit factor is also very good. Profit factor is 1:1.6. Drawdown is very less, just 9%. And net profits in the last 4 years is 110% on 384 trades. Now, one more thing that I would also want to add here in the strategy. The strategy looks very good right now because in the properties, we have used 3 lakh rupees capital to buy 2 lots. We have used 3 lakh rupees capital, but I have not added any brokerage tax or slippage. Let me add 0.03% in the form of brokerage tax and slippage. So when I add all of that, now we get the correct result. Now the results are close to 71% with a win rate of 41%. Profitability is 1:1.3. Drawdown is 10.82. And our average win is also very good. So this is when I am taking intraday trades. Now I also would want to check what else can be done to maximize the profits. Let us start with maybe disabling the trailing stop loss. I'll just disable the trailing stop loss for a while and check by just keeping absolute stop loss and target 1 and target 2. Yes, the results are a little better. We got a profit of 100% right now, and this is how the graph looks like. There was a small drawdown phase here, and apart from that, everything else looks good. I can even check the performance on a positional mode. This is intraday. Let's make it positional and check. In the positional mode, the strategy gives a little less result comparatively. So in intraday, this strategy has a beautiful curve with a profitability of 100% in the last 4 years, with a win rate of 41%, profitability of 1:1.3 approximately, and drawdown of just 16%. So I hope you like this particular strategy. You can even purchase this strategy from store.algofox.in, and we'll come back in the new video. We'll discuss one more strategy in detail. Thank you.